If you've forgotten your itch.io password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset it in just a few simple steps. This is the fastest way to get back into your account if you can't remember your login details, and it only takes a minute to start the reset process. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to itch.io/user forgot a password. This is the official password reset page for itch.io, and it's where you'll begin the recovery process. Once the page loads, you'll see a field asking for the email address associated with your account. Carefully type in the same email you used when you signed up for itch.io. Make sure there are no typos because the reset link will be sent to that email address. After entering your email, click Submit. This tells itch.io to send you a password reset message. Now the next step is to check your inbox. Open your email account and look for a message from itch.io. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam, junk, promotions, or other filtered folders, just in case the email got moved there automatically. When you find the email from itch.io, open it and click the password reset link inside. That link will take you back to itch.io, where you can follow the prompts to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, and make sure it's something you can remember or store securely. Once you save the new password, your account will be updated and you can sign in again with your new login details. And that's it. You've successfully reset your itch.io password. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.